Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of freshwater ecosystems and the creatures that call them home. You might be surprised to learn that our rivers and streams are teeming with life, some of which are critically endangered and facing a silent extinction. So, what lives in the rivers near you? Well, it turns out that scientists are using some pretty cool techniques to uncover the biodiversity that's right under our noses. They're finding everything from spiky mottled sculpins to mayfly nymphs, and they're telling us why we need to pay attention to these underwater neighbors. First off, let's talk about the methods they're using. Scientists are employing techniques like electrofishing and environmental DNA sampling to get a more comprehensive view of the species that inhabit our freshwater environments. Electrofishing involves sending a mild electrical current into the water to temporarily stun nearby fish, which are then caught, counted, and measured. It's like a high-tech fishing trip. But it's not just about the fish. Environmental DNA sampling is like a detective work, where researchers identify organisms by analyzing the DNA they shed through skin, scales, and feces. This method has revealed hundreds of aquatic invertebrates that were previously missed using traditional methods. Now, here's the mind-blowing part. A study by University of Guelph biologist Mehrdad Hadjibabi and his team found that traditional methods only identified 22 species, while DNA sampling uncovered hundreds more. And get this, many of these species were found at just one site, highlighting how much river life we might be missing. Imagine if we could see the entire cast of characters in our local rivers. But it's not just about the species themselves. The article also emphasizes the importance of protecting these creatures from extinction. Scientists estimate that 1/4 of freshwater animals on Earth are threatened with extinction, and North America has already lost many species. Anthony Ricciardi, a McGill University biology professor, calls it a silent mass extinction because even conservation biologists might not be aware of it. He points out that freshwater biodiversity has traditionally been difficult to measure, which is why these new techniques are so crucial. And here's the thing, people who live or play near the water might not even know what's living underwater. This lack of awareness can make it harder for us to empathize with and protect these species. Ricciardi shares a personal story of collecting native crayfish and mussels in the St. Lawrence River as a child, only to see many of those species disappear due to invasive species. So, why should we care about these freshwater creatures? Well, each species plays a unique role in the ecosystem. For example, native mussels help replenish oxygen needed by other creatures, and insect larvae are essential food for fish. And let's not forget about the indicators of water quality. Many freshwater species are much more sensitive to changes in their environment than any chemical or physical test. Knowing what lives where and what's disappearing is critical to their conservation. Hadjibabi emphasizes that public awareness is key. When people know which species live nearby, they can come up with creative ways to protect biodiversity. But it's not all doom and gloom. Ricciardi points out that we can still save many declining freshwater creatures. Reducing polluted runoff, removing dams, and fighting invasive species are all steps we can take. Migratory fish are returning to rivers where dams have been removed, and no new invasive species have been recorded in the Great Lakes since 2008. It's a reminder that we have the power to make a difference. In conclusion, our rivers and streams are home to a diverse array of creatures, some of which are facing a silent extinction. By using innovative techniques like electrofishing and environmental DNA sampling, scientists are uncovering the biodiversity that's right under our noses. It's a call to action for us to pay attention to our freshwater neighbors and take steps to protect them. So, the next time you see a river or stream, take a moment to appreciate the life that's thriving beneath the surface. Who knows, you might just discover a new appreciation for the natural world around you.